I don't know if this is a fail or not. I already put them in my hair. I don't really know how to feel about it. They look good, but that's up for you guys to determine. I've done flexi rods before, but they've always been a fail, so I decided to retry now that I know more about my hair. So let's get into the video. So basically my hair is a mess. I have a lot of damage, the curl patterns are all over the place, and I have heat damage, and the bottom of my ends are straight, so that sucks. Also, I couldn't find my tripod, and it was just a hot mess. Also need a comb. I like this one personally because it helps me part my hair. I'm also going to be washing my hair with these Pantene products. I really like to use them because it makes your hair feel really smooth and nice, and it works really good with curly hair. Also be needing some flexi rods, of course. They kept falling all over the place, but I only had 18, so this is what I had to work with. You'll also need some type of product to keep your hair moisturized, so I'm using this Moroccan Curly Perfection. I like using this product because it helps define your curls and it smells really good. So I just got out the shower and I'm going to be combing out my hair to get all the knots out. Your hair does need to be moisturized in order for this to work. By the way, all of these products you can find at your local CVS or Walgreens. So now I'm going to be putting this product into my hair, and I didn't put that much because throughout the video I ended up putting more. DJ Merx. So now I'm going to be parting my hair. I was really struggling because I could not see, and I ended up getting frustrated because it just was not working. Hairs in sections, you're going to take the flexi rod and wrap your hair around the flexi rod, and I couldn't see, so I kept messing up. So once that's done, you're going to roll the flexi rod to your root and then fold the flexi rod to hold your hair in place. You want the flexi rod to be tight because you don't want it loose, so then it'll fall out when you sleep. I am not the one. Calling me baby, 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 baby. Say baby I love you. Say baby I love you. Say my name. DJ Merx. Hey baby I love you. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. I love you. You ain't what it made. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I. So in the middle of me filming, my camera actually died, so I had to go charge it, and while that was happening, my hair dried out. So you might need a spray bottle to wet your hair and make sure it's moisturized. And I also put more product in my hair. So now that your flexi rods are all secure, you're going to need a scarf to wrap your head around for the night. And then you go to sleep. Good night. So now I'm just separating the hair. So as you can tell, the curls turned out nice, but I really wasn't expecting it to be this short, so I really wasn't sure what to do with it. So at this point, I was just attempting to try to do some type of hairstyle. What do you guys think? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!